Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole. This video is about the dialogue 4 of lesson 6. We will mention 3 ways to use 看. The verb 看 contains 3 meanings. By the way, I'm currently updating my HSK 2 courses on the YouTube. If you want to learn Chinese systematically, please check out this playlist. And if you prefer to not follow a specific textbook and you want to learn Chinese for our real conversation, then my recorded courses might be what you exactly need. You can find the course link in the description below. 这2天怎么没看见小张? These 2 days, why didn't see 小张? These 2 days, actually, it doesn't only mean 2 days. 这2天, same as 这几天, just means these days. It can be 3 days or even 4 days. 怎么没, why didn't? This one is we mentioned on last class. 怎么没 or 怎么不? 看见. Let's compare this 看见 with the last sentence. 不是听说是去看他姐姐 It's not I heard 听说 heard is go visit his. Let's take a look at this 看. The basic meaning of 看 actually is all of the actions related to our eyes. Look, see, watch, visit, read. 看书看电视看展览看病 When we 看书, actually we are using our eyes to watch the books. But if you wanted to emphasize when you read a book loudly with the voice, that one is 读书. And the second way to use 看 is 看 as a verb. It's followed by a complement of without. I generally say these types of words as without words. Then 看见. When people meet another people, which means they definitely will meet each other. They stay together. So 看见, you see these people and you can sing in it. 看 itself, the action of 看. But 看见 is the result of your 看, of your action. More examples of these without words. 看懂. 懂 means understand. And followed by 看 means you understand by watching or reading. 看到, this one is same as 看见. You see and eventually sing it. The result of your sing. 看完, 完 means finish. So you finish by watching or reading. So this is the first sentence in our dialogue. 这2天怎么没看见小张? They didn't see 小张. The result of their looking is they didn't see these people. In the last 看 with the people have meaning of visit and generally has meaning of these people maybe has some issues, maybe unhealthy, maybe pregnant, or maybe just sad. So you visit someone due to some reason. 看朋友 or 看病人. And this 看 is the short way of the vocabulary 看望. 看望 means visit sick people or elder people.
Text 4.
这2天怎么没看见小张?
他去北京了。
去北京了？是去旅游吗？
不是，听说是去看他姐姐。
这2天怎么没看见小张? 他去北京了。去北京了？是去旅游吗？不是，听说是去看他姐姐。这2天怎么没看见小张？他去北京了。去北京了？是去旅游吗？不是，听说是去看他姐姐。